Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's me Saugat from Techmates. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to use Shazam. Open the Shazam app, and if you swipe right, we can see the charts menu or the latest music in the music industry. So let's go ahead and search for the top 200. So then we can click on one of these, or we could just log in first. Let's go and log in our account. So press in login and sign in with Google. Agree to the settings and wait for a while for your Google to be signed in. So sign into your account. So after signing into your account, the next step we can follow in Shazam is by detecting the music by pressing this icon. So pressing this, your Shazam will detect music for you. Next we can go to songs and play them. To play the full song, you need to pay the certain fee and you can buy it. So the song is being played, and we can also go to lyrics. So the lyrics is clearly being shown on your screen. We can also listen to many songs of the same album, and we can also open the song through different various apps such as Spotify. Let me open the song in Spotify. So as I click on open from Spotify, the same song can be played from here as well. So this video was about how to use Shazam. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.